How to play Hamster Combat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, I will be providing a link in the description and just simply click on that particular link. It is my referral link, so you will be getting a bonus when you join using that particular link. Also, there are so many scams out there, so it's better to open up using a link or the official link. And after you open up, this is how it will appear in your Telegram. By the way, Telegram is quite important for this particular game or this particular mining. So after opening up Telegram, just simply select this option of a start. Either click on a start or just simply type /start in order to start it up. This is how it will appear. Then click on this option of play in one click. Wait for it and it will load up, and this is how it will start. It is on Ton chain, which is for the Telegram, and after that you can just simply check out over here and tap in order to earn the points or the coins. And this is how easy it is to play Hamster Combat. In case if you want to check out the detailed guide of Hamster Combat, simply subscribe to our channel, as we will be bringing all the important updates related to Hamster Combat, and in that video we will tell exactly what you need to do in order to make thousands of dollars from the airdrop of Hamster Combat. So hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.